Are you looking for a wireless speaker that is tiny yet can deliver a surprising amount of punch? The Havit E5 Bluetooth speaker is just that and more. An affordable musical sidekick that you can easily carry around with you, and one that is water, mud and shockproof. Add to that a 4000 mAh battery inside that makes this a portable battery pack, and an ingenious detachable magnet-driven two-part design, and you are looking at one of the most versatile Bluetooth speakers around. Hello guys, Vic with PhoneArena here, and the Havit E5, and don't you just love the name of the brand? Looks and feels much like two hockey pucks put together and wrapped in a rubber coating. It's slightly chubby but in a very cute way, and it fits comfortably in the hand. The special sauce here is actually on the inside. An array of magnets exerts just the right amount of force to keep the two parts of the speaker together, but pull just gently and the two parts will disconnect, which allows you to hang the speaker pretty much anywhere. And yes, this speaker can also stand on its own with a pair of rubber legs on the bottom. In addition to that, we should once again mention that the speaker is a water, mud and shockproof, and it carries an official IPX7 certification, meaning that it can survive being submerged in water, so it's safe to use by the poolside. Back to the two-part design, one part holds the speaker itself, while the other is where the 4000 mAh battery that powers it all resides. The battery part also has a flap-protected area with different slots and ports, a microSD card slot, a standard USB port that you can use to charge other devices, and the micro USB port for charging the speaker itself. And you can also use the provided micro USB to 3.5mm cable for wired music playback. On the opposite side you find the power and volume buttons, while on the back you see the 4-point battery level indicator. The Havit E5 plays sound via Bluetooth 4.2 connection to your device, and we had no issues pairing to our phone and started playing in no time. The officially quoted range of the connection is 20 meters, and we also tried connecting the speaker with a cable to a laptop, and it also worked flawlessly. The E5 also supports the TWS standards, so you can easily pair two of these speakers to achieve even more powerful stereo sound. So how does it sound? Well, let us put it this way. We played this back in our office and the reaction from everyone was shock and amazement at how loud and mighty this tiny speaker sounds. While technically this is a 5-watt speaker, it definitely exceeds expectations. The 45mm speaker driver produces boomy, full sound with a surprisingly deep bass and clarity across the range. The E5 officially has a 30-hour playback time when you listen to music at medium volume, but we couldn't help ourselves but blast tunes in almost its full capacity most of the time, so we got a bit less than that. Overall, we came away impressed with the Havit E5. It's a tiny speaker that packs a lot of punch, and you can easily hang it anywhere, which feels liberating. At an official price of just around $60, the E5 is a steal and definitely a gadget that should be on your wishlist, whether for yourself or as a gift. Thanks for watching this video, hit the thumbs button if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I will talk to you in the next one.